Is your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 sounding a little off? Maybe it's distorted, crackling, or even completely silent. Before you panic, it might just be a faulty internal speaker. Today, we're looking at the Deal 4Go replacement speaker, specifically designed for the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 15-inch series. This includes models like the 15IDL05, 15IL05, 15R05, and 15ALC05. This speaker assembly, bearing part number PK23000SHV0 and FRU5SB0S31915, aims to restore the original audio quality to your laptop. It's a direct replacement, meaning no soldering is required. If you're comfortable opening up your laptop, the installation process should be relatively straightforward. The connector is a standard 4-wire, 4-pin plug-in, so it's designed for easy connection. The speaker itself is rated at 4 ohms and 2 watts, which matches the original specifications for these IdeaPad Flex 5 models. This ensures that the replacement speaker will perform as expected without putting undue stress on the laptop's audio circuitry. One thing to note is that the screws are not included. Make sure to keep the original screws from your old speaker, as you'll need them to secure the new one. The wire length is approximately 3 centimeters, or about 1.5 inches, which should be sufficient for connecting to the motherboard without any issues. If you're experiencing sound problems with your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and you've ruled out software issues, this Deal 4Go replacement speaker could be a cost-effective solution. It's a simple way to potentially breathe new life into your laptop's audio without having to resort to expensive repairs or replacements. Just remember to handle your laptop's internal components with care during the installation process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.